Hey! Today I'm going to teach you all a way to make a hat for LPS, specifically a witch hat like this one. This hat tutorial will help you make a hat that will fit LPS with ears. Thank you very much, and I hope you enjoy. Now, further ado, let's make a witch hat for this little man. Woohoo! See, this one without ear holes won't do. It'll just fall. So today we're going to take some foam and put something together. Alright, we're going to take a sheet of foam and place our LPS on it. Then we're going to get a pencil and we're going to draw an oval around where we want the brim of the hat to be. And I'm going to make this to be like a big sun hat. Alright, and now for the ears, what I'm going to do is I'm going to look directly down on my LPS. And I'm going to hold my pencil over it and then kind of go down and do a general circle of where that ear would be. And you'll roughly end up with something like this. Alright, now let's cut it out. Okay. Now, it's hard to cut the holes in the center, so what I like to do is to bend the foam like that and just do a little snip, and I'm able to get my scissors under there and continue around. The same for here. Alright, now let's try that on our LPS. You want it to be a little snug so that it holds on to it. Perfect. That is an adorable sun hat. I know I said we'd make this a witch hat tutorial, but it's the same thing pretty much. Alright, so now to make the top of the hat, we're going to take a little triangle and then we're going to take some glue and glue this seam up together here. Okay, so once we have this glued, I like to take scissors and trim the bottom that it's even. Now we have a nice little cone. Now we'll take our witch base and we will glue the cone to it. Now you got to make sure to not glue it on top of the ear holes. It has to sit in between like that. Okay, and then you have something like this right here. No hole in the bottom. Alright. Now we put that on our LPS. And it can be worn like so. very fashion forward. And that's the same thing that I did for this one. This is a custom by me, by the way. I added a little broomstick tail. And then I just painted it. And then, like even this one can just, see, comes off and it just works the same. Now, for the band, I painted this one, but a ribbon would also work, or even like a Posca marker, just like painting in around the edges. Alright, that's all for today. Thank you very much.
Kawaii. Trash.